In a small village, there was an abandoned garden. People walked by it every day. But no one cared about the dry plants and the ground covered in trash. What's the point of a garden, they thought. Until one day, a girl named Sofia decided to change that. She looked at the garden and saw something no one else did: potential. Sofia started cleaning the garden all by herself. She picked up the trash, watered the plants, and planted new seeds. At first, people laughed at her. "Why waste time on this?" they asked. "This will never amount to anything." But Sofia didn't give up. She believed that with a little care, the garden could bloom again. Over time, the garden began to flourish. The plants grew, the flowers bloomed, and even the birds returned to sing. The villagers started to notice the change. Some stopped to admire it, while others began to help. Maybe Sofia was right, they thought. The garden was becoming a beautiful and welcoming place. The garden became a special place for the village. Children played there. Adults rested under the shade of the trees, and everyone took care of the space together. Sofia realized that even without money, they had created something valuable. The garden wasn't just a beautiful place, it was a symbol of hope and unity. Sofia learned that even when things seem difficult, small actions can make a big difference. The garden showed everyone that, by working together, they could transform any place into a space of hope and beauty. And in the end, the greatest treasure wasn't the garden itself, but what it represented: the strength of community and the ability to create something beautiful even from almost nothing.